Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to create an account on Skills Builder Benchmark. This is a platform designed for older students and adults as a tool to self-reflect on your own essential skills. To sign up, first, open your web browser and go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark. Then click the Login Sign Up button. This takes you to a new page in your web browser. There, enter your email address. Make sure your email is correct, then click Continue. On the next screen, fill out your details. Required fields are marked with a star. If you have a group code from your tutor, facilitator, or manager, you can enter it here. Top tip: with copy and paste, you can be sure it will be 100% accurate. Not to worry if you'd rather do this later, we have a separate video which covers that, and you'll still be able to use the platform with all its features in the meantime. There are some terms and conditions which you can read if you click this link, and you do need to agree them in order to use the platform. It will ask you to confirm that you're not a robot. Click Register, and you're in. An automated welcome email should have landed in your inbox almost instantly, although sometimes it's also worth checking your spam or junk folders. And that's how you create an account on Skills Builder Benchmark.